Hey, it's Stephen D. from Beard Bushido, bringing you beard product reviews, tips and tricks, and just general philosophy on living the whiskered way. Hey, you want to get yourself a gift, or that man in your life, that person in your life that's living the bearded lifestyle, you want to get them something nice for Father's Day, Christmas, their birthday. What would be a nice gift that's not going to break the bank? Well, I will tell you what I got from someone as a gift that I've enjoyed right after the introduction. Alright, we're back. And when I first got into this lifestyle, this community, this hobby, a few months ago, it was right after the first of the year, I had received a gift for Christmas, and the gift was Wild Willies Ultimate Beard Grooming Collection. All right. This is what I have used on a daily basis, mostly since the beginning of this past year, 2020, in case you're watching this way in the future. Right. It comes in this really nice dot bag, all right, travel bag, and inside we have a 4-ounce beard wash, okay, for washing your beard. And again, you don't want to use regular bar soap or regular shampoo on your beard. It's too harsh for your beard hair, and it strips your face of all its oils. So this is much gentler, okay. It will clean the dirt out of your beard, and it will strip out the oils, but it won't leave your face completely dehydrated, all right. So it's much healthier for you, okay. Comes with 2-ounce bottle of beard oil. Okay, so this is about twice the industry average. All right. The fragrance on these is a sandalwood, I believe. So it's very woodsy, very masculine, but also very subtle. So it's not terribly strong. You're not going to drive anyone out of the room with it. All right, it's not going to offend anybody. It's a very nice scent. Again, then you're getting again a 2-ounce beard balm. All right. Okay, that's for styling and conditioning. Again, cedarwood. Then you'll also get the edge. This is their edging and grooming tool. It helps you line your beard. Okay, neckline and cheek line. All right. And you'll see, you may have seen other products like this on the market. Again, you just line it up. All right. So that you can have a nice clean line there, or again a nice clean neckline. All right, kind of comb through with it. Again, and it gets the job done. I personally would like something a little bit larger with a little bit more weight, but to be included in the kit, it's very nice, and do appreciate having that included with the kit. All right, again, you can see the inside of the bag, nice bright orange, nice and clean. Got their logo inside. Everything fits in there very nicely. All right. As far as the oil and the balm themselves, okay, I've enjoyed them. Like I said, the scent is very clean. It's not terribly strong. All right. And it's nice and masculine without being offensive. Okay. All right. Just a little bit of oil. Okay. Goes through your beard. Okay. And again, it is much more, definitely a masculine scent, very woodsy. Okay. Right. Same thing with the balm. You can see where I've been using that. And again, you don't want to use too much. Okay. Again, this is for conditioning and styling. All right. Just about as much as you fit on your fingertip. All right. And again, same scent as the oil. And this again is for conditioning the beard. The oil helps moisturize the skin. Again, when you're using the oil, you want to make sure you work that down from the beard all the way into your skin. What you're doing is you're caring for your face. All right, when you're using the oil. And then the balm, That conditioning helps lock that moisture in. Again, helps you shape the beard, controls flyaways, all right, straggly hairs, that sort of thing. It's really a great way to care for your beard. It's nice to have it all in one kit. All right. Now, this, while not a terribly expensive kit, it's not the $20 or less Amazon bargain, okay, that we've been looking at recently. On their website, this retails for $57. It's currently on sale for $39 at the time that I made this video. I believe that is what it was at Walmart when you could find it. Last time I went into my Walmart, they were no longer carrying this kit, but right after the first year they had these, and again I think they were about $40. So again, not too much to shell out for a really nice gift for that bearded man in your life. Or if you're the bearded man in your life, it's a great gift to buy yourself. So if you've used Wild Willies, if you have an opinion on them, I'd love to hear it. Just mention that down in the comments. Give us a thumbs up, thumbs down. Let us know what you think. We're always open to suggestion. Let me know what you'd like to hear about. Do you want tips and tricks? You want to know what my journey has been like? Again, I'm relatively new to this and new to the community, so I'm learning as I go, and hopefully you're learning with me. Again, I appreciate any advice you might have, any suggestions. Until next time, okay, continue to stay safe, walk the whiskered way, and live the bearded life. Have a good one.